Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to create a new user account with administrator rights in Windows 11. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type net space, user space, new username space, /add. Type net space, local group space, administrators space, new username /add. Type exit. Login with newly created user. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.